This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Coachmen is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, oven, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, water heater, spare tire kit, awning, external shower, auxiliary battery, slide-out, LP detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 263 BHSCK is 6,532 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.